lunch today we're making paneer sliders with a homemade Szechuan style sauce. So we're going to start by chopping up our paneer into really small cubes. Then we're going to prep our veggies, so I'm using green pepper, red onion and some sweet corn. Feel free to use whatever vegetables you'd like to use for this. I decided to go for those typically found in chili paneer, minus the sweet corn. Just make sure you chop everything up really finely, as you can see I'm doing here. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of ghee as well as a tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm just going to let that get nice and hot before I add in my paneer. You want to fry it until it gets nice and golden like this. Here we're just adding in a hint of paprika. And then it's time to add in the red onions. As the onions are becoming translucent, I'm going to add in the pepper. To make this an extra colourful dish, we're going to add in our sweet corn. Now it's time to make our Szechuan style sauce, so we're going to add our dried chilies. Please do not add too many of these, be mindful that they are very hot. Some garlic, soy sauce, ketchup, rice vinegar. I am also eyeballing all of this, but hopefully you can get a sense of quantities from the video. A couple of teaspoons of sugar, and then finally some olive oil. We're adding everything straight into the blender, and then we're going to give that a whiz until it's smooth. Before we finish the sauce, we're going to add some as-is into the paneer vegetable mix. Grab some plant-based mayo and empty some out into a bowl. Then add in the rest of the sauce that we made earlier and give it a good stir. To assemble the sliders, start by placing the bases of the pre-sliced white rolls in an oven-proof dish. Cover the base with the sauce, and you don't need to be shy with this step. Then load on the paneer mixture. You can see in the background some lightly seasoned sweet potato wedges that we made to go with the paneer sliders. Sprinkle some grated cheddar cheese on top. Add on the tops of the rolls, and then they're good to go in the oven. Place in the oven for about 10 minutes. As the paneer is already cooked, all you want is the grated cheese to melt and the bread rolls to lightly toast. And that's it, that's the paneer sliders all done. This is a more recent addition to my recipes and everyone I've made it for has loved it, so I hope you enjoy.